Well, as soon as I got in the car, I realized two things. I realized, one, how hard it would be to actually post at least 10 items a day to Etsy, so I'm not sure about that goal. But I also realized that it would be weird if I just drove past 272 Antiques and didn't stop since I'm all the way out here, so let's go in. All right, well, in the nature of different, I noticed this. That is very cool. It's $7.50. Is there a discount in here? No, there's not, but it's so different that I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get this. I love a good ashtray, and I love, of course, the unique. And it is made in Japan. Wow, they've got some really pretty little trinkets in here. Let me put that down while I check out this little vase here. It's kind of different. That looks German. $7.50. That's kind of pretty. It's very different. I think I'm gonna get that too. And then the green glass is kind of nice, but it needs like a little extra something. This is like so gorgeous. Dresden, no wonder. Oh, I don't think I could get that much more out of that. All right, so I'm gonna get this. Should I get this vase? I don't know. It is a pretty good deal. No, I'm being weird. I'm gonna get it. All right, so I'm gonna put the ashtray on my Etsy, and I'm gonna save the vase for whatnot, maybe, or a live sale. I'm trying to do this as strategically as possible. There is a method to my madness, and it's to basically fund whatnot items with Etsy items. $9.50, not bad, but not good enough for me. And of course, I love these glass signs. $10 firm, though. That's more than I'd like to pay for that. Let's see. Oh, the lamp's $20. Just kidding. They've got all kinds of. I feel like I don't always stop at 272 when I come here. Sometimes I kind of drive past it. I just feel like there's not a lot of like kitschy vendors, but now that I'm kind of branching out and doing more stuff, I feel like it's imperative I stop. All right, well, this booth has a lot that interests me. This is new. I don't know where I was going with that. That's a really pretty lamb. This looks like it might even be Taiwan. Yeah, I think that's a Taiwaner. Got the cats back here. $8. Brins, $8. No discount. That's a little bit more than I'd like to pay. Fused glass, $6. It's kind of nice, but not quite. Well, we all know I love a good holiday handkerchief, but this one has ladybugs. Lucky Hanky. Wow, that is so cute. $3. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Oh, whoa, there's like all kinds. I'm not really seeing. Let's see what's going on in this shelf. That's more napkins and stuff. I don't want to deal with that. So I was walking past and I happened to glance over and see this. That is epic. For $3.50, I am gonna go ahead and grab that just because it's so very strange. But hey, look, it's like a bear that looks like that orange cat. Huh. Oh, I was gonna save this booth, but I'm seeing all kinds of stuff. $12 Class D horse. I usually circle back, but I'm distracted. Very distracted. How much is the cat? 10. Not bad, but definitely. Oh, is it the planter version or is it just a figurine? Oh, that's not bad for the figurine at all. How about this? That's really pretty. And then this frame is absolutely to die for. I love This style, 32. All right, I'm gonna continue doing my lap. We'll come back to this when we get there. This kind of caught my attention. Ooh, it's really heavy. I don't want to deal with shipping that. Oh, look at this Alice in Wonderland costume. That is so cute. Well, this is kind of a fun setup. I don't remember this booth being here. Prices look decent. Southern Belle Girl, $9. That seems cheap. Ooh, and this is really pretty, even though it's not really my thing. $13. Definitely on the newer side, but I really like the shape. That is awesome. And Amberina. Oh! $4. That's pretty great. I like the dog one better, actually. Let's see. That cat, there's something about it. What's going on? All paperweights, $5. Look at this sickly pug. That is fantastic. This box is kind of neat too. The one with the heart shape and the bird. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on it though. Like I'm being super thrifty if you guys haven't noticed. But this, $5. That's really not bad. I probably should pick that up, shouldn't I? Oh, this one's kind of neat. This one's only $5, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this. And you know what? This is gonna go in $5 whatnot. Now, I will say the risk about the $5 whatnot is if this actually went for $5, I would lose money, but I don't think it will. So, and plus I've got items in there that I bought for less, so I'm gonna do kind of like a cost average thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Now I see Fostoria. That's a really pretty color. I'm not sure about the pattern though. It's kind of overwhelming. Oh no, it's a repop. But it's only $3.50. It's not the original, but should I get it anyway? Why not? For my $5 whatnot sale? Oh, this is hilarious. I love that it's got that other frog in there. That is really interesting. Frog and frog, $7.50. Well, this looks new. Yeah, this is new and just kind of placed in there. I could definitely make money off of it, but it's a little, I don't know. I've had so many of those scrub brush holders, and this is new, and it's just kind of not speaking to me. But what about the girl with the poodles? 15, just kidding. Let's see what else we can find in here today. Look at the bone china poodles. Oh my gosh, well, I already see one is very, very repaired. That stinks. And one's missing its antlers, and they're all missing their price tag. So we can calm down from that. Oh, well, we finally circled back to those booths that I enjoy going through the most here. I'm not as overwhelmed with the things I saw the first time. What is this though? This is quite gorgeous. This is very old. $49. Okay. I want to be very delicate putting that back. That is super fragile. What? Are these fake fruit napkin rings in the original box? $10. Those are so fun. It's only missing one of them too. I buy stuff like that all the time. The last couple times I bought the candle rings though, it hasn't done that well. I do think I could make money off of them, but I'm just being super careful. So I'm gonna keep looking. This is a really fun set. Franciscan, I think what is it? Franciscan wear? That's definitely, $30 is definitely retail. I was looking at the bananas though. Those are kind of fun. $8. It's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on those though. More salt and pepper shakers. Now, I ran to this set and it does have the Mary and Jesus on them. This is a really good selling set, and a couple people have asked me for it, and it's really hard to find them with the Mary and Jesus. They're only $3. I'm grabbing them. So I expect those will go quick. Let's see what else we can find in this booth. These are kind of pretty, but a little underwhelming. $10 on those. Huh. And then this Polish pottery. I've picked this up before. It didn't do very well for me. This has been awesome so far. Cheaper than the thrift store, I tell you. I only spent $33 in there, which means I've spent $69 total. And now it's officially time for the Crazy Doodad store.